Welcome back. It's grammar time with Mrs. Clevenger again, and this week we're going to continue learning about reference materials. In today's lesson, we're going to be learning about dictionary skills. So grab your ELA notebook and your pencil and get ready. Here we go. As we learned last week, you can use a dictionary, whether digital or print, whenever you need to find the spelling, meaning, or pronunciation of a word. Pause whenever you need to. Guide words. We talked a little bit about this last week. Guide words tell you the first word and the last word defined on the page of a printed dictionary. So for example, if you open a dictionary, there's always two words on each side of the page. Those are your guide words. On this side it says laugh, and that would be the first word right here. And on this one it says lemon, and that would be the last word. Of course, alphabetical order. And these guide us to tell us where we could find our word. Here's another example. Bribe and bring. In this section of the dictionary, bribe would be the first word and bring would be the last word. Here's another example. Potato and prowess. Potato would be the first word in that section of the dictionary, and prowess would be the last word on that page. Would the word pound be on this page? Using our alphabet, right? Yes, it would, because the word pound would fall in between potato and prowess if you were putting them in alphabetical order. Would the word prowler be on this page? No, because the last word on this page is prowess. And if you do your alphabetical order, prowler would come after. So it's most likely on the next page of the dictionary. Entry word. The entry word is the word being defined. The enter point separates the syllables. See those little dots? Potato. They separate the syllables. Potato has 3 syllables. How many syllables are in the word progress? You can see it's separated into 2 sections. Progress, 2 syllables. Prompt and prop, only 1. Pronunciation. This tells you how to pronounce the entry word. And the accent marks tell you which syllable to stress. This tells you how to say the word correctly. Potato, potatoes, progress. Part of speech. This section, or these abbreviations, will tell you what part of speech the defined word is. For example, nouns, verbs, adverbs, adjectives. These abbreviations tell you the part of speech. N means noun, VB means verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, and conjunction. So you can find the part of speech in the dictionary as well. Pause whenever you need to. Irregular form. This shows the different spelling of the word for irregular nouns and verbs. For example, the word potatoes. When you make the word potato plural, you don't just add an S, you add an ES. Whoops. So it'll tell you the different spellings. And of course, definition. This explains the meaning of the word. If there is more than one meaning, additional definitions are numbered. The word potato only has one definition. It's a starchy plant that is one of the most important food crops, cooked and eaten as a vegetable. It's carbolicious. I'm going to go ahead and stop right there and show you dictionary.com. Because most likely you've been working at home and you've most likely been using dictionary.com in case you don't have a paper dictionary handy. In this case, of course, you go to dictionary.com, you type in the word that you want to learn more about. I'm going to go ahead and go with teacher. So you can see teacher. It tells me, whoops, where is it going? Let's go back. Got all these pop-ups. Okay, just ignore those pop-ups. And this tells you, of course, the pronunciation, teacher. And if that doesn't help, you can click on the speaker and listen.
Teacher, 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 teacher.
There you go. Helps you learn how to say it correctly. And this tells you the part of speech. It's a noun. You know that nouns are person, place, or thing. And here's your definition. A person who teaches or instructs, especially as a profession instructor. Okay, you can also go to thesaurus.com if you want to find other synonyms for the word teacher. Okay, type in your word. And there you go, assistant, coach, educator, lecturer. I'm gonna go with all these pop-ups. Scholar, professor, you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and stop right there. So you continue practicing your reference materials this week with your grammar slides. I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.